friends, welcome back and welcome if you're new. I'm so excited to be sharing this updated home tour with you guys. It has been a long time since I've done a home tour. If you want to see our entire house, like every square inch, I recommend you go way back to the beginning of my channel. I'll have it linked up here. I have a complete home tour where I show every single room. This is just going to be an updated home tour where I show just some of the changes we made, some of the DIY projects. I've changed a lot of the decor in the main living, and I'm really excited to share it with you today. So sit back, relax, grab a cup of coffee, and let's go ahead and dive into it. So this is what you see when you walk up to my doorway. Come on inside. I have a Hello Sunshine welcome mat for summertime, and I recently made this hello wreath. I got everything I needed at Hobby Lobby, but now we're just gonna go ahead and we're gonna walk inside, and immediately you'll walk right into our entryway. We have a fairly large kind of foyer area that leads upstairs or off into the kitchen, and then to the left is our sitting room and to the right is our guest room. But let's go ahead and talk about our entryway table. The table itself, I have no idea where it's from. Someone gave it to me, but everything on here is pretty neutral for summer. I have a simple magnolia wreath, this hello sign I found at Hobby Lobby, this home pillow, which I thought was really sweet. I found it at an antique shop. The vase is from Kirkland's, and then I just threw some greens into a terracotta pot, kept it really simple. And to the right here is our guest room. Now it's kind of a hodgepodge of furniture, but I kind of like it that way. The headboard is from Wayfair. All of the bedding is from Target over the last few years, and I love how simple and clean it looks. If you do have a specific question today about where anything is from, make sure you leave it down below in the comment section, since I won't be able to go through everything. I mostly just want you guys to relax and kind of just get ideas and take a look around. But this piece is from the late 1800s. It belonged to my dad's great-great-grandmother, and I was recently gifted this, and I'm super thankful. I'm not totally sure yet what I'm going to do with it, but for now it looks really good with a picture of my dad kind of just watching over us. So the main change here in our sitting room is this massive, beautiful rug from Boutique Rugs. I love their rugs, and I was so excited when they sent me one, and I wanted to let you guys know that they gave me a coupon code Fritz60 at checkout will get you 60% off any of their rugs and any of the styles. The style you see in my room is called the MERRIOTT style. But anyway, moving on, this console table I painted in an aqua color in the springtime, and I'm sure I'll get tired of it, but for now I love it. It's really fun. And here on top of the table, I just have some fun knickknacks going on, some pretty yellow florals for summertime, and of course you saw there one of my favorite verses written on my chalkboard. Anyone that comes to my house knows that this is my spot. This is where I sit and drink coffee in the morning. It's one of my favorite places in the house. The pillows that you see on the chairs are from IKEA, and then the little tray is from Kirkland's. I just threw a greenery on it, a couple of throw blankets, and then on the opposite wall I have a bench from Kirkland's as well as the pillows, and the window pane is from the Magnolia Home Collection, and I have a wreath on it for summertime. That is from Kirkland's as well. And our formal sitting goes into our formal dining room. And this is another space of the home that I love. Our huge 12-foot dining table is from Pottery Barn, but I found it on Facebook Marketplace. The chairs are from Wayfair. I did find this Windsor antique chair at an antique shop. I think it's gorgeous. And in case you missed my tiered tray video, I ended up putting it here on the table. It's gorgeous and massive, and I put lots of greens and lemons on it for summertime. This hutch is my favorite piece in my home to decorate for the seasons. And as you can tell, for summer, I definitely went with a lemon theme. I have lemons all throughout my dining room and kitchen. And I find that it's just really bright and cheery and puts me in a good mood. But I love adding lots of greenery as well. That cute aqua scale is from Hobby Lobby, and I thought it matched my console table in my sitting room perfectly. And here's just a quick look at the completed space. I just love this room. It holds a really special place in my heart, and I hope and pray that we have lots of family gatherings in here throughout the years, and as my kids grow up and look back, that they have lots of memories around this table. So moving on from the dining room, we're entering our kitchen and kitchen eating area, which flows right into the family room. I love just kind of the open concept and how everything flows in this house. It's one of my favorite things about it. And as always, I'm diffusing some tangerine and lemon essential oils just to keep it smelling fresh. I love citrus. I have my big bowl of lemons sitting on the island, and we actually recently shiplapped our island, and it gives a ton of character. And we added this bar from IKEA, and I can store my little kitchen towel and some cutting boards just to give it even more character. And above our kitchen sink, I always hang fresh herbs in the summertime. They just add such a pretty pop of green. And our big open sink I found on Amazon, as well as the faucet in case you're in the market for one. And I get asked all the time about our countertops, and they are granite. It's called Dallas White. And then we just have a simple subway tile. So I definitely incorporated some of the farmhouse here in the kitchen, but I also kept it really simple, kind of a little more modern. I don't like a ton of clutter in my kitchen, but I still want it to feel homey and inviting. So one huge change I recently made was actually here in the kitchen eating area, and I repainted the table and I switched direction of the table, and I only kept 4 chairs just to kind of open up the space, and it is amazing how much bigger this room looks. I also was so excited. I found this bench here under the window, and it was made with 100-year-old pine. It is gorgeous, and I just threw some buffalo check pillows on it and a little plant, and it just really cozies up the space and adds some extra storage, which is nice. Now, a few changes I made in here. The first being these window panes. I found them at a local antique shop, and they're handmade. They're gorgeous. And I have my ottoman, which I always keep a little tray on and just keep it feeling nice and cozy with a candle and a plant. But the biggest change of all is our fireplace. I recently swapped out our 90s marble, and I DIY'd this brick in German schmear, and it looks so good. I really like it, and I love how I have my mantle decorated right now. It's just really cozy. I added these lanterns with some greenery. I found them at Hobby Lobby. The greenery I found at a local shop. And then this basket I've been eyeing at Kirkland's forever, and I just threw a cozy blanket inside it. And now we're gonna step outside to our back porch, which will be my favorite room this summer. We recently made it over and this space is so bright and cheery and fun. We've already spent a ton of time out here. We just added furniture, we added cushions to our couches, lots of flowers. These flower boxes on the deck rails are perfect. We added the umbrella and we just wanted a space where we could come outside and enjoy the nice weather. That porch sign was from Hobby Lobby, and then all of the cushions and the rug are from Lowe's, and all of the pillows I found at Kirkland's. And now we're changing gears. We're back towards our entryway and we're gonna make our way upstairs into our master bedroom. Now, I wouldn't say this room is my favorite in the house, but it's definitely at the top of my list, especially since we recently made it over and it is like a tranquil sanctuary, no kids allowed space. This is mom and dad's space. We love the sitting room and the way it was transformed. We added shiplap to the mantle. I did peel and stick tile to give it kind of a coastal, little bit of a boho vibe. And this white bedding I found on Amazon and it was $40. Total score there. I always encourage you to check Amazon if you're looking for white bedding. I really like the bed skirt comforter look. As you guys know, I don't have a formal office, so having this workspace with the little desk has been perfect for me to edit and get things done. I love how bright and cheery this space is, and I'm just so thankful to have it. I love these built-ins. The bookshelves are beautiful, and they were just so fun to decorate as well. I hope that you enjoyed today's video and that you found it relaxing and inspirational. Maybe you got some farmhouse decor ideas for your own home. If you did like it, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. That really helps my channel out and lets me know that you enjoy these style of videos. And make sure you leave a comment. Let me know what was your favorite part about today's video. What was maybe your favorite piece or room. I always love hearing y'all's thoughts. But if you happen to be new around here, real quick, I just want to take a second and introduce myself. My name is Amy. I'm a stay-at-home mom. I have 3 littles here in the Atlanta area, and here on my channel I do lots of content just like this. I love home decor. It's my real passion. I find it to be so fun. I love homemaking and I do a lot of videos centered around that. So if you like what you saw today, make sure you hit that little red subscribe button down below. I would love for you to join my YouTube family, and I'll see you guys really soon in the next one. Bye guys.